Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making pressure cooker sweet potato mash. Alright guys, I'm starting out here with some sweet potatoes. And normally on Thanksgiving we just buy the canned sweet potatoes and I cook them, but I thought I'd make some homemade ones for a change. So I'm going to go ahead and get these peeled up and diced up and then I'll bring it back. Alright, now that I have my sweet potatoes all diced up and in a pressure cooker, and I diced them in fairly large chunks, I'm going to add in 2 cups of water. And I'm going to add a little bit of salt. I'm going to add in about a teaspoon of salt. And let me grab a spoon to stir that around with. We're not going fancy. I'm just going to use a little plastic spoon. Get the salt down into the water. Right, I'm going to put my lid on here. And I'm going to set this to pressure cook for 15 minutes. After the 15 minutes, I'll do a quick release of the pressure. Alright guys, this is done pressure cooking. I drained off the water. You can see my turkey in the background there. Now I'm going to add in some butter. I'm going to add in about 4 tablespoons of butter. Get that down in there. I'm also going to add in about a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And I'm going to add in some brown sugar. I'm using dark brown sugar. I'm going to add in about a half a cup. I'm going to go ahead and mash this all up. And my butter's a little frozen, so it's a little hard to mash. I might let this sit for a minute until my butter melts. You just want to go in with your masher. I'm using a plastic masher because this is a non-stick pot and I don't want to scratch it. And this is smelling good, guys. That cinnamon really smells delicious. Alright, I'm going to let this sit for a minute to melt that butter, and we'll go ahead and fix up the plate and see what we got. Alright, let me get in here and give this a try, guys. That's really delicious. You get the sweetness from that brown sugar. You get that cinnamon flavor. It's creamy. You get buttery flavor. That's really delicious, guys, and it wasn't hard at all. Alright, there you have it. Pressure cooker sweet potato mash. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.